Good morning. Welcome to another Designer's Den. I am Kelsey here at our Aurora location with designer Dawn and Leah. And today we're going to talk all about rust. And we're going to show you some different ways to incorporate that in two different spaces.
So we painted this vignette here, the color rust, and then we went a little more neutral in our sofa and our rugs. So let's start with the sofa. It is a modern look, clean lines, track arm, and it actually comes with different pillows.
Great.
Yeah.
I mean, and it's super simple too.
Yeah.
Like it has a really nice tailoring, and you brought in some rust.
Right. So if you're shopping around American furniture and you like a sofa, but you're not in love with the pillows, take them off. Try something new.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I love the coordination between the wall and the pillows. And then we have like these little fuzzy ones behind you too to add a little bit of texture.
Yes. So we went with the medallion texture
This one
on
is
the
so
chair.
great.
Yes, and it ties in all the colors. You have the rust in it again, the gray with the rug, and then just brings a little bit more interest into the room.
I love a pattern in a space too, because everything
Right.
is kind of monochromatic, you know, even though you have the rust color in here, but it brings in that visual interest with a little bit of, you know, the organic pattern to it, and the colors kind of bring everything
Right.
together.
It's super fun.
Nope, we just
Just winging it.
we just talk about it. Okay. Ready? Yep. Okay. I'm loving this space. So this is kind of opposite of what you guys did in the first space. So instead of doing wall and accents, you're using the bigger part, which is
Right.
furniture, as your rust.
Yes. So this time, if you want something a little more subtle on the walls, we're bringing in the rust color with this comfy sofa. And as you can tell by the way Leah's sitting, it's super comfortable. It's very contemporary. And did you know there's lots of different configurations you can do?
Modular.
Yes.
So it's great for small spaces.
Right.
It's also great for big spaces.
Exactly.
So
Yes.
what an awesome piece of furniture.
Yeah.
These are great too, like giant pillows.
Yes.
Super cozy.
Right.
And these come off too.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
So it's
Love
a
it.
faux leather look. So if you don't want to do leather, you can get the look of leather if you like. Yes. I love this coffee table. What do you think, Leah?
Yes, it's great. It's a hand-carved piece. It brings texture, brings that black element back in, like we said, makes it really solid for the room.
Again, a round table is always great, especially in this kind of configuration that we have set up here. With a little bit, you can maneuver around it a little bit easier. It doesn't have all those kind of sharp edges, and it's pretty easy to move around,
Yeah.
which is great. So speaking of moving around, as you said that, some really great accessories as well.
Right.
Yes, to bring in more natural elements with the different types of plants. And the lanterns help, again, 2 different sizes, brings in the wood tones, and just really nice, unique pieces.
So, thank you again for joining us. If you like everything you can see in this room and more at afw.com, and we will see you next time. Bye.